Thank you for downloading Overlai, the app trusted by creators to protect their work online. We've made Overlai intuitive and easy to use, focusing on simplicity and minimalism. First, sign in with your Apple ID. You can fill in more information about yourself later, if you'd like. To protect your first photo, click on the Overlai lock icon. Then, choose the photo you wish to protect. You can protect up to 5 photos at a time. Once the photos are done, they're ready to share online and can be found in a newly created folder on your phone called Protected by Overlai. That's it. To check the metadata of the photo, use the Verify tool. Navigate to the Protected by Overlai folder and choose one of the newly protected photos. Once this process is finished, click on the photo to see the associated metadata. The Verify tool can also be used with photos you find online from other Overlai creators. Now let's finish setting up our account by clicking on Profile and going to My Links. Add your website or social media account if you have one. This information will be added to the metadata of your protected photos. You can also leave it blank if you wish. Overlai gives you 30 free protections per month. If you need more, use the referral system and share the app with your friends. To learn more about the Overlai protection technology, please watch the rest of the videos in this playlist. I'm Luke with Overlai. Thank you for watching.